Lean manufacturing tools. Selected tools for systematic and everyday use. In this series of sessions, we shall discuss in brief 22 selected lean tools. For easy understanding and memorization, the tools are divided into 5 groups. These are lean tools for policy deployment, resource management, problem solving, continuous improvement, and process improvement. We shall have a quick look at the lean tools in these groups. The first is the lean tool for policy deployment. It is better known as Hoshinkanri. Next is lean tools for resource management. These are Kanban, just-in-time, and Muda. Muda is part of the 8 wastes of lean. However, we shall treat this separately, as this has a greater impact on lean management and is very important. Next lean tools for problem solving are Gamba, Poka-Yoke, root cause analysis, and Andan. Lean tools for continuous improvement are Kaizen, PDCA or Plan Do Check Act, SMED or Single Minute Exchange of Die, Judoka, Visual Management, and Analysis for 6 Big Production and Efficiency Losses. Lean tools for process improvement are 5S methodology, value stream mapping, bottleneck analysis, continuous flow, Heijunka, takt time, standardized work, and OEE or overall equipment efficiency. In this session, an introductory discussion is made. The detailed discussion on these lean tools is not a part of the Lean Six Sigma certification course. This is dealt with separately, as these require special attention.
End of the session.